Yesterday I have given the science class. From today I started mensuration for you. This chapter is for 10th class itself. So I have started mensuration. I have continued the 10th class syllabus also. First of all, I have to understand about the some dimensional figures. And first of all, you have to check cube here. Already you have known that cube. All of you look here. This is like a cube. How many faces are there here? There are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. There are 6 faces are there here. So cube has 6 faces. All are squares. All are squares. So you already know that the area of a square is side square or a square. So here there are 3 formulas. I have given 3 formulas for you for the cube. First one is lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area of a cube is this. Lateral surface area means you have these surrounding. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. So our lateral surface area of a cube formula is 4a square. And what next one is total surface area of a cube. How many surfaces are there? Totally 6 surfaces are there. So how many squares? 6 squares are there. So the formula for the total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Next one is volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is formula L into B into H. That means here length is A and breadth is A and height is A into A into A, that is a cube. So I have given one sum for you for understanding this formulas. Find the lateral surface area and the total surface area and volume of a cube of side 4 centimeters. Here the side is given 4 centimeters. So A is equal to 4 centimeters. What is the formula for lateral surface of a cube? 4a square. That is 4 into what is the side of A? 4. So A, you have to put the value of A in here. So the value of A is 4. So put here 4 into 4 square. That is 4 into 4 square means 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 64 centimeters square is the lateral surface area of a cube. But what is the total surface area of a cube? The formula for the total surface area of a cube is 6a square. So I have to write 6 into what the value of A? 4. So I have to put the value of A here. So 6 into 4 square, that is equal to 6 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16. 16 6 are 96. So our answer is 96 centimeters square. Okay. Volume of a cube. I have written here volume of a cube. Volume of a cube, that is equal to a cube, that is 4 cube, that is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 64. That is 64 centimeter cube. Volume is in cubic centimeters. So the volume of the cube is a cube. So put the value of A here, that is 4 cube. 4 cube means you have to return 3 times of 4. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4, that the value of 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So our answer here is the volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube. Okay. All of you understand or not? All of you note this. All of you note this sum in your notebook. Okay. Here I have explained another dimensional object, cuboid. Here you already know that you have already our notebooks. Notebooks all are in cuboid shape. So you already know that. Here cuboid has one length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. The dimensions of cuboid have length, breadth and height. What is the lateral surface area of a cuboid? 2h into L plus B. The formula for the lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2h into L plus B. What is the total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Volume of a cuboid is LBH. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. I have given an example for you here. Find the lateral and total surface area and volume of a cuboid of length 12 centimeters, breadth 10 centimeters, and height is 8 centimeters. So lateral surface area of a cuboid formula is 2h into L plus B. So you have put the values of LBH here. That is 2 into the value of H is 8. You have to put here. The value of L is 12. You have to put here. The value of B is 10. You have to put here. So 2 into 8 is 16, and 12 plus 10 is 22. The 16 into 22 is 352 centimeters square. Next, another one is total surface area of a cuboid. You have to use the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into what is the value of L? 12. And what is the value of B? 10. What is the value of H? 8. So L into B means 12 into 10, and B into H means 10 into 8, and L into H means 12 into 8. Here that is 2 into 12 10 120 plus 10 8 80 plus 12 8 96. The total of 120 plus 80 plus 96 is 296. So 2 into 296 is 592 centimeters square. So the total surface area of a cuboid is 592 centimeters square. Because the area is in centimeters square. Area is in square centimeters or square meters. Next, I have to find the volume of a cuboid. What is the formula of volume of a cuboid? LBH. So what the value of L is 12, and the value of B is 10, and the value of H is 8. So I have to multiply 12, 10 and 8, 12 10 is 120, and 120 into 8 is 960 centimeter cube. Because the volume always in cubic centimeter, you have to write centimeter cube here. Here I have explained another sum here. If L is equal to 10 centimeters, B is equal to 5 centimeters, H is equal to 6 centimeters, find the 4 walls of a room. You already know that the formula for 4 walls of a room or lateral surface of a cuboid both are equal. Lateral surface of a cuboid formula, 4 walls of a room యొక్క formula రెండు కూడా equal మనకి. So 4 walls of a room is 2h into L plus B. I have put the values of H, L and B in this formula. 2 into what the value of H is 6. You have to put here. The value of L is 10. You have to put here. And the value of 5 is B is 5. So I have to put here in the formula. Then 2 6 is 12 into 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 into 12 is 180. So our answer is 180 centimeters square.